Want a better view of price movement? Let's enable candlestick charts in Robinhood in just a tap. First, open the Robinhood app and log into your account. Now tap on the search bar at the top and type in any stock or crypto. Once you find it, tap on it to go to any stock or crypto chart. Tap anywhere on the chart and you will see a small icon. It looks like a tiny candlestick or bar graph. Tap that to switch from the line graph to candlestick mode. You will now see open, close, high and low prices with each candle. Super useful for technical analysis. You can still change the time frame too, from 1 day to 5 years, right above the chart. Do you trade better with candlesticks or the basic line graph? Drop your style in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.